Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing this STARESSO. It's a portable espresso maker from STARESSO. Here's the barcode. And this one has 15 to 20 bars. All right. So let's get this opened here. See what we have. Ooh, nicely packed. Okay, cool. So out of the box, you'll have the registration. And here is their user manual. So this one appears to be, okay, so good. So this one should be able to use the capsule too. So we'll get that and see how that goes, all right? So let's see what we have here. Very nice stainless steel topper here. Very nice. Nice rubber texture here. I like that a lot. And then here's the bottom with the cup. So let's untwist the top first. Everything's very nicely constructed, huh? Look at that. Okay, here's the bottom here. This is where your coffee grounds will go. I'm hoping it'll fit my little puck in here. And we're about to find out. Everything's nice stainless. Look at that. It's very nicely constructed, huh? And then here's the little glass bottom here. Untwist. And then here's your 120 milliliters. And you do a 4-ounce shot espresso and 1 ounce. Even the bottom has this very nice silicone to prevent it from slipping. So I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, so it's not the best solution, but I went ahead and just cut open the package and put the coffee directly in. All right. So make sure everything's in place. Screw in the top. And now let me go get some water. All right, so I put some hot water in, and then I clean the cup. Insert this into there. Make sure it's sealed. It's leaking just a little bit. I guess I didn't close it properly, but okay, I have to do a little twist of the cap. It pops up here, and then from there, you start adding some pressure into the container. There you go. Now I feel the pressure. And as you can see, it's slowly squirting my cappuccino and my espresso into the cup. I guess I should have did a side view, huh? As you can see here, it's slowly pushing espresso into the cup. You smell it. It smells good. And there you go. Basically, it forced all the water that I poured into here down through the filter and into the coffee, and then to another set of filters and straight out into the cup. Look at that. Wow, it smells fantastic. See, and then you do a little twist and it'll lock into place. All right, and then twist and it'll pop out. And then you could add more pressure, push it down, and there you go. So let me get a napkin here. See the smoke? Ooh. There you go. And as you see, this is where I put the water. There you go. Ooh. So I put the water in here, the hot water. And then I just closed it. And from there, you pump it and it pushes it through here. And this is where the coffee was. The coffee beans, the grind. Just do it slowly. It's dripping everywhere, but it's okay. Okay, so the cleaning process wasn't too bad. You just take it apart and just rinse everything. I think this inside might have to come out, so you really clean it in depth. But overall, it was very fast and easy. And I rinsed that side a little bit too. And there you go. Now it's ready for your next set of shots that you want to make. So you just do a quick twist here. And you pull this out. And there you go. Your clean shot. And this is a 2 ounce that I made here. It smells beautiful. Yeah. It's a dark roast. It's really you really smell the coffee on this one. The aroma is really good. Okay. And this part you don't really have to clean because it shouldn't really get dirty at all. But there you go. This is a very cool portable solution for someone that's on the go. Maybe you're camping or just out on a work job and you want a quick espresso. Well, this is a real quick, easy machine to get it done. It's a beautiful package, huh? Again, this is from STARESSO.